What is up, guys? I got a bunch of stuff in the mail today. I'm going to build a new quadcopter racing drone. Just thought I'd give you a quick look at what came in. There's what it all looks like. Now I'm going to give you some close-ups. We'll start here at the frame. I got an Armattan 5-inch Marmotte. I'm almost positive that's what they call it, a Marmotte. I'm probably going to call it the Hulk because it's made out of space grade carbon fiber, lifetime warranted. Probably will never break. If it can be broke though, I'm sure I'll be the one to do it. And so we've got that. And I also got some Aries, DYS Aries 32 ESCs. They're 70 amp regular with 80 amp bursts. 4 of those. And I also got some Hawksky 2207 motors, and these are the 2207 2600 kV motors. They are rated at 1600 grams of thrust on a 4S battery, which is 600 grams more per motor than my Emax motors that I was running on my other drone. So I've got a HobbyMate power distribution board rated at 260 amps burst and 200 amps normal. It puts out 50 amps to the ESC per leg, per side, and a 65 amp burst. So, and I've got this little micro camera here, the Swift. Don't know if that's going to fit because this frame is made for a mini camera, and all I have is either a micro or a large camera. So if that don't work, I'm going to rob the one off that drone there, that Eagle, put on it. I'm sure I can make one of them work. And I'm probably going to get the I didn't have a receiver or nothing like that, so I'll probably rob that and the VTX off of that one because it's got a pretty good receiver on it, transmitter. For the flight controller, I ran out of money, so I had to go with the SP Racing F3. That was all I could afford. I'm sure a lot of you guys is thinking, damn, he got a great setup except for the flight controller. Got a cheap one of those, but I'm used to racing with one of those, so that's what I'm going to keep using. And like I say, I ran out of money. All this my mama got me anyway. She had some I crashed my drone the other day, broke the arm. I ended up fixing it, but I was so bummed out about it. And she had some rewards points on Amazon, but it had to be spent on Amazon to get the money. So she let me spend it, so I spent it on this stuff and blew every penny of it. But I'm stoked. Damn, guys, she's gonna be pretty. I don't know if I can call it the Hulk or not. I may have to call it something silver, like Silver Banshee or Silver Tongue Dragon or something. I don't know. I'll come up with a good name for it. Hell, it's too shiny and pretty. It all matches too good not to call it something like that. I mean, that is a work of art. I still got a long way to go, but that's the generality of what it's going to look like. It's going to be very, very sexy. Them big old 70 amp ESCs on there, them some monsters, boy. Well, it all fits good though, so far. I still got a long way to go, but I'm getting tired of working on it right now, and I'm trying to take my time. I do not want to screw this up. I got a lot of money in this thing. So there's what we got so far, guys. Hope you enjoyed. One day soon I'll have her flying.